Before we jump in and start working in Silo, I thought it might be a good idea to show the tools I will be using throughout this tutorial and how to configure them with Silo to get the best possible workflow. It's important to stress that you can just as easily follow along with this tutorial using a keyboard and mouse if you don't have the same equipment to hand. The main piece of hardware I will be using is a graphics tablet. For sculpting or painting, I find this to be an essential piece of kit, and it allows you to work in a much more natural way. In the past I've used a Wacom Intuos tablet, but more recently I took the plunge and invested in a Wacom Cintiq 24HD, which is exactly what you can see on the screen now. Now the Cintiq takes things to a whole new level. As you can imagine, rather than drawing on a pad next to your mouse, where your eyes are sort of detached from where your hand is moving, you're actually physically drawing directly onto the screen. You still get all the pressure sensitivity and precision that you would on a normal tablet. The difference is where you place your pen is exactly where the action is. Now I don't want this to turn into an advert for the Cintiq, but it's important for you to understand what I am using as we work through the course. This is mainly because some menus may pop up which are unique to the Wacom, and it's just a good idea for you to understand where those menus have come from, why they're there, and if you're not using a similar tablet, why you don't have access to it. Also, in the next lesson, we're going to be focusing on configuring Silo to work hand in hand with the Cintiq to help speed up your workflow. So again, if you're not using the same tools, maybe just skip that video and move straight on to video 3. So with all that said, let's leave this video here, and in the next lesson let's move into Silo and just start pairing the software with the hardware so that they start to work in harmony with each other.